All right, we're on my Uncle Rick's boat. He's gonna take us for a ride. Probably gonna go over the Dog Island. So he's got a 26-foot Nautic Star, and he absolutely loves it. He's got two 150 Yamahas on the back, and we got the guys. I think all my uncles are coming. We got Abby; she's coming with us too. We're just gonna go take a nice little stroll out into the bay and then over to Dog Island and just kind of enjoy the afternoon.
See some porpoises.
Yes.
See some porpoises. Yeah, we saw some yesterday at the beach.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, we could see them out there. So yeah, there's the power train. There's Fernando. He's coming too.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. It won't blow. Well, it's pretty heavy enough. Have a little music, don't we? A little rolling music.
All right.
A little rolling music. Rolling music. I got vests for everybody. You got to do your checklist. Do your checklist. Flares, extinguisher flares.
Yeah, we're ready to do this. There's where we had lunch yesterday, Harry's.
And you didn't know make a good shot right there.
Oh yeah, that brick building right there behind the sailboat, it's like an abandoned building, and I was looking at it. That would be a very cool shop.
Yeah. I'll go pack our stuff. I'll find a good place.
You go move us in?
Yeah, no problem.
Coming up on our campground right there. That's the actual pier for it. They got a boat dock right there too that you can use. It's pretty cool because you can bring your boat to the camp and park it there, and launch it here and keep it out here on the pier if you want. I'm assuming that sunk boat probably happened during Hurricane Michael, but I don't know. Speculation. Some dolphins right there, right in front of us. See the dolphin? There's our camper over there. That's over there?
Yeah, almost there. I'm on the beach in the ends.
Yeah, okay.
Both ends are just small, no houses, there's no, you know.
Yeah.
So in the summer, there'll be 40, 50 boats lined up on the points and shit.
Cool.
Partying. You know what I mean.
Well, I see power lines across there, so they have a power grid out here too?
Yeah.
Wow. Pretty neat place. There's not a bridge that connects to Dog Island out here, so everybody has to come over either by a boat or ferry.
Captain Rick here. Dog Island. One of our favorite destinations in the summer.
This
Great
is their
fishing, great shelling. The shelling's really good. Fishing's good.
everything's good here.
Yeah, the beach is good.
Yeah. Water's real nice.
That's shallow.
Yeah, you can see it's shallow there. That's how you do it. Got
Are you
the
enjoying
beer,
yourself?
Got the beer on the boat, just hanging.
Yeah, this is definitely not a bad way to spend an afternoon.
Thanks to Uncle Rick inviting us out. This is really cool. So Carabelle's over there, and then we're just kind of cruising around. He's taking us around Dog Island.
It's kind of hard to see on here.
Yeah, you can't see the beauty on that camera right there. We've got a lot of sun reflecting.
What do you mean you can't see the beauty? I'm looking right at you.
Oh, thanks, man. Making me blush. You can see the Gulf on the other side there. This is the narrowest part of the island here. It's just completely flat. This is the west end of the island here. And this is where Rick and all of them usually come whenever they want to come out, like for a beach day and anchor off or just kind of go up on shore and hang out. This is where they usually go, right here. So I think he's going to take us around the point and actually go out into the Gulf of Mexico. That is so cool. This is the west end. That is the Gulf of Mexico, and then over there where that group of trees are, that's St. George Island. You guys see the hot tub right there?
Let's go pick it up.
Pick it up.
Y'all bouncing around? No, he's skimming them. You're supposed to far enough for skimming between those.
That's been a great ride. We really enjoyed it. Rick's taking us back in. We've been out there a couple hours, just kind of floating around and having a good time and drinking a beer. But we're headed back in, and What can I say? It's beautiful out there. We've enjoyed our ride.
Yes.
There's Bella.